Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 67 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से और टॉपिक है prepositions. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. पहला है the dog ran along the road. The river flows under the bridge. The work was done in haste. He is afraid of the dog. I am fond of music. He goes on Sunday to church. He died for his country. The steam engine was invented by James Watt. The burglar jumped over the compound wall. The village was destroyed by fire. What is that to me? It cannot be done without offense. He spoke to me in Urdu. They live under the same roof. I have not seen him since Wednesday last. I have known him for a long time. The moon does not shine by its own light. This is a matter of little importance. I am tired of walking. He has not yet recovered from his illness. I shall do it with pleasure. God is good to me. I will sit at my desk to do my lesson. I am sorry for what I have done. Oh God, keep me from or of sin. I bought it for 10 rupees. He broke the jug to 100 pieces. It has been raining since yesterday. I have been working hard at arithmetic. We suffered from your neglect. The exercise was written by me with a camlin pen. Will you walk into my parlor? Said the spider to the fly. It is 10 o'clock by my watch. There is nothing new under the sun. Do not cry over spilt milk. You boys must settle it by yourself. The public are cautioned against pickpockets. They drove from Mumbai to Pune. So this was a simple exercise of preposition. मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में. तब तक आप सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA Education.